Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to access a files line in Python. When we are working with a file, we often want to examine each line of the file. Might be looking for a certain information in the file, or we might want to modify the text in the file in some way. For example, we might want to read through a file and print each line of that file. So we can use the split lines method to turn a long string into set of lines and then use a for loop to examine each line from a file one at a time. So I already from pathlib imported path and I created a path uh, by passing in the path of my file, and I have this my file here and some text in it. And now we are going to read the content. We are going to call path dot read text. Now we got the content and we need lines. So we do lines, we do contents dot split lines. Now we are going to use a for loop to print each line separately. So for line in lines, we do print line. The method split lines return a list of all lines in the file. So we assign this list to the variables lines, and then we use for loop to loop over these lines and print each one. So let's run our code and check the output. So here are the lines from our file. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.